You've seen it a million times. You walk outside in the middle of the day, look up, and boom, blue sky. It feels peaceful, predictable, and frankly, a little dull. But then, as the sun starts its dramatic exit, the sky completely flips the script. Now it's glowing red, orange, pink, and sometimes even a suspicious, moody purple. It's beautiful, sure, but also kind of suspect. Why the sudden, theatrical mood swing? It's not just a beautiful sight, it's a brilliant, everyday lie the Earth's atmosphere tells you. We're going to expose this atmospheric deception today. We think of the sun as yellow, right? We've been drawing it that way since kindergarten. Wrong. The sun actually gives off white light, a perfect mix of all the colors in the visible spectrum. It's more like a super bright white spotlight, not a yellow crayon. So, if the light is white, where do the colors come from? That's where the Earth's atmosphere, the ultimate filter, gets involved. Science, physics, clouds, cloud physics, mystery aviation, curiosity gap, viral science, WEX science. When this happens, the light scatters. Think of it like a chaotic, high-energy game of atmospheric pinball. Here is the key to the sky's deception. Not all colors scatter the same way. Blue light has a much shorter wavelength, which makes it scatter more easily and wildly in all directions. It's the most reactive, hyperactive color in the spectrum. So during the day, the sun is high and the light has a short, direct path to your eyes. The sky isn't truly blue. It just looks that way because the blue wavelengths are being thrown everywhere, dominating your visual field. The sky is technically lying to your face. As the sun sets, everything changes. The light has to travel a significantly longer path through the atmosphere to reach your eyes. This means more gas, more dust, and more water vapor for the light to smash into. By the time the light finally reaches your position, most of that hyperactive blue light has been scattered away. What's left? The stronger, more resilient longer wavelengths, red, orange, and yellow. They are the last ones standing after the long, atmospheric gauntlet. Your evening sky turns into a lava lamp of soft, fiery colors. Here is the strange, almost contradictory part. Did you know that massive events like pollution or volcanic eruptions actually make our sunsets prettier? This is the creepy factor. Extra particles, smoke, ash, or dust in the air scatter even more light. More particles equals more dramatic, vivid, and concentrated colors. The sunsets after the infamous 1883 Krakatoa eruption were so intense, people thought the world was ending. So, the most beautiful skies often have the most terrifying causes. Fun twist cities with high pollution often have the most vibrant sunsets. The universe truly loves irony. Your sky isn't just a canvas, it's an active high-tech weather report. You've probably heard the old saying, red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in morning, sailor take warning. This isn't just folklore, it's based on solid atmospheric science. A deep red sky in the morning often means moisture and high pressure are present to the west. That's the direction weather typically moves in the northern hemisphere. This potentially brings storms later in the day. A red sky at night means the worst weather has already passed. So, your sky is sending you sophisticated, full-color weather updates every single day. Do other planets have colorful skies like ours? Absolutely, and they are bizarre. Mars, for instance, has pinkish yellow skies during the day and, weirdly, blue sunsets. That's the exact opposite of Earth. Martian dust is exceptionally good at scattering red light. Then there is Titan, Saturn's largest moon, which has a thick orange haze. This gives its sky a strange, yellowish-orange glow. On Venus, the atmosphere is so thick that sunlight barely makes it through at all. While Earth gives us the perfect Instagram backdrop, other planets are doing their own strange atmospheric experiments. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why isn't the sky green? Green sits right in the middle of the visible light spectrum. In theory, it should scatter too. But our atmosphere heavily favors blue wavelengths due to their shorter length. There's simply not enough dominance for green to win the color lottery. Sorry, green, you're stuck being grass. However, there is one spooky exception sometimes. During severe thunderstorms, the sky does turn an eerie green. This usually means hail or a tornado is highly likely. It's the atmosphere saying, this is not a drill. We're not just talking physics. We're talking emotion. Humans have always looked to the sky for meaning, from ancient mythology to modern art. Artists paint sunsets. Poets write about twilight, and let's be honest, you've definitely stopped what you were doing to take a sunset selfie at least once. There's even a word for the intense love of sunsets, opale. It's just the name for us, the people who are hardwired to be captivated by this daily, grand atmospheric performance. Now that you know the hidden science, the truth behind the sky's beautiful deception, you see more than just color. You'll see molecules, light waves, and the massive Earth's atmosphere, putting on a spectacular show just for you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's the most dramatic sky color you've ever witnessed? We read and reply to every single one. The most liked comment might just become the topic of our next video. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing science. See you next time!